There is nothing nobler than enlightening young minds. I've done my schooling from St. Joseph's Convent, Chandanagar, my teacher's training from Loreto College, and Masters in English from JU. Since then, as an educator, I have been trying to reach out to students, and in the process, I learn as well. One student who really inspires me is a diligent young girl who aspires to become an army doctor so that she can render service to the nation by treating young soldiers who bleed for us, who sacrifice their lives to safeguard and protect us. I try to make my classes interesting by helping you to become creative, to be innovative, and to explore all the hidden talents in you to make you more confident. I feel online classes help in a big way. Students who are a little shy, a student who is an introvert, feels free to clarify his doubts, and all of us, we become aware of technology being an astounding boon in our lives. So keep in mind, if you strive, if you work hard, nobody can stop you and you will become a winner. I'm Rumna. Come learn with me at Openhouse.